VIMFUN SH60-60 Graphite Susceptor ring cutting. This is a high-purity graphite susceptor ring, a precision thermal component used inside semiconductor crystal growth and high-temperature processing equipment. The challenge here isn't cutting graphite, it's the geometry. Multiple precision slots must be machined through a large, brittle ring. With conventional saws, each cut risks micro cracks, edge chipping. Slot profiles that drift from the first cut to the last. We're using the VIMFUN SH60-60 endless diamond wire saw fitted with a 0.8mm diamond wire loop, wire tension 200 to 300 newtons, wire speed 40 to 70 meters per second. No coolant, graphite is dry cut throughout. Unlike a blade, the continuous wire makes no impact on entry. Cutting force is distributed evenly across the contact zone. Wire tension and feed rate are held constant throughout every pass, slot after slot. The result, clean edges, no chipping, and consistent slot geometry across the entire ring. After machining, this component goes directly into semiconductor thermal processing equipment, no secondary edge preparation needed. This is precision graphite cutting without compromise.